welcome to this week's virtual assembly. Children, we cannot wait to see you all next week. Parents, please make sure you are keeping up to date with our communications. We are doing everything that we can to make the return to school as safe as possible, and it is important that everybody knows our plans about things like arrival and collection times. Well, everybody, what a busy week. We have been amazed by the brilliant engagement with this year's Workbook Day celebrations. Huge thanks to our teachers and to our reading leader, Ms Chandrarajah, for putting it all together. We have loved seeing so many of you getting stuck into books. In fact, we are going to go and see Ms Chandrarajah right now, so she can share the results of our exciting Workbook Day competitions. Over to you, Ms Chandrarajah.
Park Primary School, what can I say? Miss Phelan said to me yesterday, if someone had said to you a year ago that you would be doing the Workbook Day Park Primary School extravaganza online with the whole school, what would you say? And there is absolutely no way that I would have believed it. I am so proud of so many things. I'm a little bit proud of the fact that I can mute children like a ninja now. I am proud of every single adult in school who has worked so hard to put this together, and I think that we can tell how much they love it. Mostly, I am proud of all of you and how you came together yesterday to celebrate books. You are genuinely an amazing group of children. I'm going to announce the winners now for the 3 competitions. Here we go. Now, when I started getting the entries, I realised there was no way I was going to be able to make these judgments on my own, so I had to enlist the help of some people from school. Firstly, I asked Miss Williams and the house captains. I forgot to take a picture of them, guys, sorry. And these are the winners that they chose for the creative costume competition. We have Gabrielle in reception, Anisha in year 1, Barney in year 2, Ephemia in year 3, Kelly in year 4, Naomi in year 5, Anastasia in year 6. Well done to all of you. Then for the adult winner, we have Mrs. Rios. And this year, Park Primary, we had some really special entries from some parents. So one of the best things about lockdown is that your parents can have more involvement in what we do in school. So that's been really good. And this year we were able to invite parents to enter into the Workbook Day costume competition as well. And Oscar and Nancy's mum gave an amazing entry. So well done to her. Then the toilet roll book character competition, which is a real mouthful. I had to get Miss Cook and the school counsellor to help. Luckily, Miss Cook remembered to take a picture of her and her team judging the competition. The winners of this were Jessica in reception, Zainab in year 1, Nathan in year 2, Adam in year 3, Anwesa in year 4, Dewan in year 5, and Oscar in year 6. Again, well done to those children. Then finally, the Design Your Own Bookmark competition. We had Gulad in reception, Naheem in year 1, Alexandros in year 2, Zainab in year 3, Ryder in year 4, Naomi in year 5, Sophia in year 6. Well done to all of those children. Park Primary, I cannot tell you how difficult it was to judge those entries. There were so many amazing entries, and if we could have picked every single one of you, we would have. So well done for taking part. Now, it got me thinking, you have been fantastic, and I do think that you deserve some special prizes. So, we have put together some books for every single class. So every single class will be getting a stack of books, brand new, fresh off the press books. Despite the fact that Ms Rothio is trying to steal them, don't worry. Your phase leaders, so Miss Phelan, Mr. Hodkin, Miss Rice and myself will be delivering them to you so that you have some brand new books to read in your class. I hope that you enjoyed World Book Day, Part Primary. Again, you have been amazing. The lessons are still up, so please do continue taking part in them today. And next week in the assembly, I will put together all of your photos so that you can see what other people have been getting up to. So again, well done. Have a lovely weekend, and I cannot wait to see you all on Monday. Keep reading. Bye.
Thanks, Ms Chandrarajah. In Park, we love reading. When we get back into school and get settled into our routines, it would be great if we start with our book reviews and recommendations. Children, be thinking about your favourite books. We would love to hear about them. Now, we are going to go to our reception children who have been coming into school. Let's see what they have been doing.
We use lots of colours. Yeah. We use all the colours we can find. This is a pen, I don't know what. Open I think maybe a treasure box. I need another crayon. I've got a pink pen. And I've got purple. Shall we see who's the star of the week?
Let's have a look. In Mexia, in Little Park, we have Hamza. In Tenzing, we have Arian. In Coleman, we have Sarah. In Jemison class, in reception, we have Anaf. MacArthur, we have Nayara. In Seco class, Mohammed J. Now in Year 1, we have Zikra in Aldrin. We have Anya in Attenborough class, Paula in Marco Polo, and in Year 2, in Einstein class, Liberty, Marie Curie Uma, and in Pasteur, Mariam. And finally today, let us see our stars from Key Stage 2. In Year 3, in Da Vinci class, we have Zainab. In Galileo, we have Mihran. In Edison class, Joseph. In Year 4, in Berners-Lee, we have Omar. In Hawking, Suleiman. In Brunel class, Omar A. In Year 5, Asma in Gandhi class, Hassan in Helen Keller, Nandini in Rosa Parks, and finally in Year 6 we have Tanim in Mandela, Hassan in Malala class, and Michelle in Pankhurst. Thanks for listening everybody, well done to all of our stars, and we will see you next week. Bye!